Was that 1 point gained or 2 points dropped at a very difficult place to come in Buckley today, Craig?
No, I think it's a point gained. You know, on the back of last week's disappointing result at home, to a resilient and well-organised Guildfield team, you know, I'll take nothing away from them, and they come and they did a job on us, and it's important that we had to learn this week about being able to battle, being able to take on information, and put a tactical display together that's going to match the opposition and what their strengths are. And I thought today, you know, we knew coming here, Buckley is one of the toughest places to come in the league. They're aggressive in everything they do. They want to win every ball, and they play really quickly in terms of getting the ball forward. So I thought, you know, to go 1-0 up, I thought we were thoroughly deserving of that, in that, especially that start of that second half. I thought we come out with the blocks really, really well. We moved the ball really, really well, and we got into half spaces. The only criticism I said to the lads is we probably should have punished them more often with the areas that we got in. But that final ball was a little bit rushed, but that's just going to come, and that togetherness and understanding we're still learning as a group. But we can take a lot from that result, and definitely it's a positive point for us.
Yeah, we did miss a penalty. The goalie saved Sean Cameron's penalty, so we could have won it as well. But positives in the second half. We changed the team first half, couple of boys dropping out, and the second half was impressive.
Yeah, it's important to make sure that we keep things fresh, and lads coming in. I thought Luke was outstanding today at right back, and it's his first game. He hasn't had much of a pre-season, and he's going to grow stronger. You know, a couple of lads are still carrying knocks and still reaching that sharpness that we want them to be, or where we'd rather them be at. You know, like I said, Dull, it's an important point today. Second half was really pleasing. As you said, the penalty missed, but that happens. On another day, Cav puts that away. But you know, we scored the goal, we've gone ahead, and we've allowed, fair play to Buckley, they've come on to us strong in that second half, and we did hold on towards the back end of that game because of their long throws and their threat aerially. However, it's probably an even point, and we'll take that.
Diolch yn fawr, Craig.
Diolch, Del.